Python date of the previous month. I am trying to get the date of the previous month with Python. Here is what I've tried. However, this way is bad for two reasons. First, it returns 20,122 for the February of 2012, instead of 201,202, and secondly, it will return 0 instead of 12 on January. I have solved this trouble in Bash with. I think that if Bash has a built-in way for this purpose, then Python, much more equipped, should provide something better than forcing writing one's own script to achieve this goal. Of course, I could do something like I have not tested this code and I don't want to use it anyway, unless I can't find any other way : Thanks for your help.
Daytime and the daytime.timeDelta classes are your friend. Find today, use that to find the first day of this month, use timeDelta to back up a single day, to the last day of the previous month, print the string you're looking for. Like this. (201,202) is printed.
You should use day2til. With that, you can use relativeDelta. It's an improved version of timeDelta.
Or
for someone who got here and looking to get both the first and last day of the previous month. Output.
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.